The Xiaomi Mi 9 is the new flagship phone of the Chinese company that comes with a specification update and a more refined design. The Xiaomi Mi 9 comes in a regular version and in a special version called Xiaomi Mi 9 Special Transparent Edition, which brings back the transparent back. Regardless of the version you choose, the phone comes with a Snapdragon 855 processor, Gorilla Glass 5 glass back and a 6.39-inch Samsung AMOLED screen with smaller bezels than before and a drop-like eyebrow, instead of a large eyebrow like that of the iPhone that have Gorilla Glass 6. Although the biggest attraction comes in the version Mi 9 Special Transparent Edition that has that interesting transparent part, the other models have a back with a gradient finish that reflects multiple colors depending on how the light illuminates it. The transparent version brings 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The Mi 9 integrates 3 cameras, one of 48 megapixels, one of 16 megapixels and one of 12 megapixels. The 48 megapixel camera is the main one and has an aperture of f/1.8. In a predetermined way, capture the photos in 12 megapixels. However, if there is enough light or the conditions are right, the Mi 9 can capture 48 megapixel photos.